The year was 1984. Apple Computer, a young company with a passion for innovation, released its first personal computer, the Macintosh. This groundbreaking machine needed an operating system just as revolutionary. That's where System 1 came in. It was simple. Even by 1984 standards, the interface was text-based. There were no icons or windows like we have today. You interacted with the computer using a command line. This meant typing in commands to make the computer do things. It wasn't very user-friendly. But System 1 did introduce some important concepts. It had a file system. This let you organize your documents and applications. System 1 also included some basic applications. You could write and edit text with an application called Edit. You could even create simple graphics with an app called MacPaint. System 1 was a modest start, but it laid the foundation for everything that would come after. The Macintosh, with its graphical capabilities, had the potential for something truly revolutionary. In 1985, Apple released System 2. This update brought some important improvements like support for more memory and double-sided floppy disks. But the real revolution came in 1987 with System 4. This version introduced the world to the Macintosh Graphical User Interface, or GUI. Suddenly, interacting with a computer became visual and intuitive. System 4 replaced the command line with icons, windows, and a mouse pointer. You could click on files to open them, drag them around the screen, and even put them in folders. This was a game changer. No longer were computers just for tech enthusiasts. System 7, released in 1991, built upon this graphical foundation. It introduced color to the Macintosh world. We saw the first hints of multitasking, allowing you to run multiple applications simultaneously. Networking capabilities improved, connecting Macs in ways never before imagined. The future of computing was becoming clear, and it was visual. The late 1990s and early 2000s were a time of significant change for Apple. The company was struggling. Steve Jobs returned to Apple and brought a renewed focus on innovation. This was reflected in the next generation of Mac OS. Released in 2001, Mac OS X was a radical departure from the classic Mac OS. Built on a Unix-based core, OS X was more stable and powerful. It introduced a sleek new interface called Aqua with translucent windows, vibrant colors, and the now iconic dock. Over the next several years, Apple released numerous updates to OS X. Each iteration brought new features and refinements. We saw the introduction of the Safari web browser, the iTunes music player, and the App Store, a revolutionary way to find and install software. Today in 2025, Mac OS has come a long way from its humble beginnings as System 1. The latest version, named Sequoia, represents the culmination of decades of innovation. Sequoia is more than just an operating system, it's an ecosystem that seamlessly integrates with our iPhones, iPads, and Apple Watches. Artificial intelligence plays a central role in Sequoia, assisting us with everything from scheduling appointments to generating creative content. The line between the physical and digital worlds continues to blur with augmented reality experiences integrated directly into the desktop. The journey from System 1 to Sequoia is a testament to Apple's commitment to innovation and user experience. What started as a simple operating system for a groundbreaking computer has evolved into a sophisticated platform that powers our digital lives. As we look to the future, one thing is certain: Mac OS will continue to evolve, adapt, and inspire.